Hello friends, let's learn this amazing trick in Excel. How to apply color combination for positive and negative values. Firstly, select the values, then right click and click on format cells, and then click on custom and start typing here. Open square bracket, color 4, which is for green, hash key for positive value. To get emoji, press Windows colon, click on the emoji and then semicolon, and again open square bracket, color 3 for red, close bracket, minus hash key for negative values, and then to get emoji again press Windows semicolon, choose second one and then click on OK. So your output is ready.